Hi everyone, Forrest here with honey pots, zone 5 in the Mitten State. It's a lovely day out and I am hanging in my vegetable garden. Yay! This is what I love. Anyways, I am in my vegetable garden, not the local recycle center. These are all the winter sowing containers that I did through the winter and some of the early spring months. And I wanted to show you that this really does work. I'm not sure how well you can see down in these. This is a cabbage. I don't know if you guys can see down. Ooh, my soil's moving. This has already started coming up. I also have some valerian that's coming up. Super nice. And some feverfew. So anyways, so they're doing really good. I'm really happy. I wasn't expecting to come out and seeing anything so soon. This is really kind of like our first few days that we have gotten out of the 40s for a long enough period, but evidently we've gotten out enough long enough, and these have sustained themselves well enough. As you can see, there's condensation on the sides of these, so there is water in there. They're fine. They're doing well. They're rather warm. You can tell by like in here, putting my hand down in here, this feels like really warm in there to me inside the tray. So they're good to go, and I'm not crazy. I know you guys are like, oh my God, what is she doing throwing all those jugs out in the winter when she's got snow and ice storms and stuff? Well, it does work. I didn't have to do as much work as having them inside with heat lamps and heat pads and trays. And I know a lot of people are talking about, you know, they're getting some mold or fungus, or the plants are just pooping out, and I don't have that problem with doing this. I think I told you guys before, this is my 4th year doing it and I love it. The only thing that I do inside are my pepper plants, and I actually have right here, this is a pepper plant, poinsettia, that I thought I would just give it another shot, give it another go. This is to put out with my flowers and stuff, to be something pretty, not necessarily something to eat. Though this is a Tabasco type of pepper, I could make Tabasco sauce out of it. And I do have another container of this inside because I wanted to see, you know, how each would do. You know, would they be better off? What? I may have to bring things in and out. We'll see how they go and see if I get pepper plants out of this one or not this year. So anyways, thank you guys. Any questions, comments, concerns, put them down below, and I will see you guys in the next video.